We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go! Red line side, 24.928 Hyperion alongside 14.596 accelerates. Blue line side features 19.429 infrared alongside 12.783 Norwalk Robo Warriors purple.
Artifacts in the air as Norwalk's index system systematically clears the blue classifier, coming in and again with fairly accurate placement there. Infrared shooting from the far side, going and parking the red base zone. Hyperion's active robot here, 14596,
Drivers,
also scoring repeatedly. We're waiting for the pilots to take over here. But there were a flurry of artifacts in the air there. And blue leads by about 13 points. Off we go again. 24.928 getting fed by Hyperion. And they shoot short. So 14596 on the other hand for the Red Alliance. Clearing the gate, scoring well, trying a couple of times. 19429 for blue, in for red. Coming in, scoring a couple of times. Nope, one bounced out. They've got 3 artifacts in the control, land them all beautifully well. That robot looks very impressive close up. It's got a wide intake for 3 different artifacts to be controlled at any given time. Clear visibility, and they can score. Norwalk, follow the purple robot as it does like a beautiful workmanlike job, indexing, scoring. 2 artifacts under control, 2 shot accurately. Infrared fluting for the Blue Alliance. And when I turn around, the Red Alliance is ahead by about 40 points. 24.928 and 1.496. Hyperion and Accelerate. Both accelerating fast. Whoops. Your scorer took once in the face here, right? We help Norwalk coming back again. And they pick up a couple of artifacts. They've got a purple, and a second purple seems to be stuck in their intake. They move it out of the way. Blue Alliance pulling up into the 200s as we come down to about 37 seconds to go. And 3 more for 14596. Accelerate and Hyperion doing a very good job keeping the robots fed, keeping the robots in artifacts. 19429 infrared scoring from the far side of the field. But end game, here we come in. 19429 with contact. Blue in the loading zone called. Red. And we got both blue robots parked as we count down to 3, 2, and 1.
7 going on the board. The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 336 to 186. That will mean upward motion for both teams as they inch closer into the top 10.